Hey guys, Rio here. Today I just want to talk about creating your own reality in life. Now a lot of people, they have these dreams, but they don't think it's something that they can achieve for themselves. They don't think that they can have their own ideal image of what their perfect life is. And what it really comes down to is the thought process and the mindset. If this is something you really want and you want this lifestyle, but you're always focusing on the fact that I'm never going to be able to have that, I'm never going to get there, I'm stuck in this rut, I'm in a bunch of debt. Well, you're kind of putting yourself into that position at that point. You're not allowing yourself to be open to other roads that may be there because you're stuck in this little area. Now, if you change the way you think and you kind of change your mindset and start thinking on the positive things and say, hey, no, I am going to have what I want, I am going to have that lifestyle, I am going to have that big house, you'd be amazed at what kind of opportunities may present themselves or what kind of roads to get you there will present themselves. And at that point, it's really up to you to follow those roads. Now there's going to be hurdles, there's going to be bumps in the road, but it's up to you to overcome those and achieve your dreams. And it sounds like a simple thing to do, but it's really, if you really think about the things in your life that you wish were different or that you wish weren't happening, what's your thought on them? Are you thinking on the negatives of them? Like, I'm stuck in this spot, I can't dig myself out. Well, now you're putting yourself in that position. If you change it up and say, all right, I'm going to get myself out of this, I am going to have that, maybe you don't know how yet, but if you're more open to it, a road might open up that allows you to go in that direction and kind of change the path that you walk. For myself, when I finally decided, no, I'm kind of done working for people, I'm going to work for myself, an opportunity presented itself and I kind of took a leap of faith and decided to go along it and hope for the best. I mean, there's been hurdles, there's bumps, but that's something you just have to overcome, and that's part of the journey. If you don't have that uncomfortable moments of on your way to your ideal life, I mean, kind of what's the fun? Some of that uncomfortable and some of those journeys, it's part of the fun, and it's what at the end of the day you're going to look back on and say, man, I'm glad I did that. I can't believe this. I mean, this came up, but now I'm finally where I want to be. For me, I was done working for people. I wanted to be my own boss. And when I finally decided that that's what I was going to do and stopped focusing on the fact that, what if I never get to be my own boss? What if I'm going to be working for people for the rest of my life? What if I can't ever travel the world like I want to? What if, and that's the way I think. And you always think like, oh, I'm a pretty positive person. But when you really think about it, you can be a very positive person, but certain aspects of your thought process, it's those little things that'll make a huge difference. So when you kind of take a step back and look from the outside in, you can start to notice the things that you might be focusing on and kind of change that focal point. Start going more towards the other direction. Like, no, okay. So I do think that I can't have these things. Start thinking, oh, well, I can. And when you start thinking that way and you start making that change, like I'm gonna travel the world. An opportunity may present itself to allow you to do that. Maybe it's a better paying job that allows you to save up that money for that trip you've always wanted to take, or maybe a certain opportunity just presents itself to do something else. But take that journey and follow those roads and see where they lead. It's part of the fun in life. For me, I finally got to start my own business. I get more time with my wife, I get more time with my baby, and it's amazing. Check out my channel. I have a lot more videos coming. Subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.